An easy word, literally easy. In Master Azerbaijani word of today, we have Asan. Asan. Asan is easy, simple, or effortless. Let's use those in some phrases, and then we'll use those in sentences. Stay tuned. An easy task, simple solution, effortless win. Asan tapşırıq, tapşırıq task assignment. Asan həll, həll is solution. Asan qələbə, qələbə is win, victory. Let's use those in some sentences. Bu tapşırıq ASANdır. This assignment is easy. The assignment task ASANdır is easy. Easy, right? Let's use another sentence. Bu məsələ asan görünür. This problem seems easy. Məsələ problem. The regular problem and math problem. Asan görünür seems easy. Görünmək, to seem, to look. This is bu. Bu məsələ asan görünür. This problem seems easy. That was easy, right? Yes, that was easy of using in Azerbaijani sentences and phrases, but there's another one. I'd love an Asan mode for Mondays. We have a service called Asan Khidmət, and I'm going to explore it in the coming days or weeks. What it is, it's like a dream service. We'll explore it, but tomorrow I have another word. That's a slang word day. Make sure you don't miss it. Until then, check masterazerbaijan.com for more.